Good morning. I'm here with my strawberries. We went to the strawberry farm yesterday and we picked some strawberries. So I just want to store this because I know if I leave all of this in the fridge, some might get bad. So I'm just gonna quickly wash them, then store some in the fridge, in the freezer. So I can just use it for smoothies for the kids and all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. This week is actually on annual leave from work, so I'm trying to make do as much as possible because the kids are on holiday here in Scotland and they started their holidays already. So I'm trying to make do with my leave to make sure that we visit a number of places before I resume back to work. Because I know when I resume back to work, I might not have the time I have in my hands now to, go different activities with the kids. So tomorrow we are planning to go to the beach. I checked the weather and the weather looks promising. So we might go to the beach tomorrow. So yeah. Anyways, let's wash our strawberries and store them appropriately. And yeah, some are already getting very what's it called? Very mushy. So I'm just gonna bring I have like this here, so I'm just gonna put it there. Just okay, this is what we have. So I'm gonna wash that and freeze it. Then I'll put this one in the fridge. So yeah, that's strawberries in my hands. Let's wash it. The beach is packed with people. Oh my god, look at people in the beach. Jesus Christ.
Your baby, hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me.
Hello. You guys, we came back like about 2 hours ago. We decided to rest. We just ate and we sat down to rest. So I just came to the kitchen right now because I have two agendas in this kitchen. Number one is I need to look for something to make for dinner. I've not decided yet what I want to make. And secondly is I need to make pancakes for breakfast tomorrow morning. Apparently, my daughter has been requesting for pancakes since on Monday that I've been on annual leave. Because most times pancakes is something I make during the weekends for them. So since I'm around, she has been requesting for pancakes, but I've not been able to make pancakes. And I like to make pancakes a day before the morning. Put it in the microwave and heat it a little bit and still have it for breakfast. So I'm going to make pancakes now because I really want to fulfill my promise of making pancakes. Pancake is not something I make every time. The breakfast that we usually have in this house is either we have oats in the morning with some fruit or we have scrambled eggs and bread, or they can toast the bread with hot chocolate. That's basically it. Then weekends, I can just switch it up. Sorry, switch it up. But Switch it up, maybe pancake. What's it called? And maybe anything. Anyways, let me see what I can do. Okay, let's make pancakes and let's make look for something for dinner. I don't know what it is yet, but anyways, let me just make the pancake batter and start with the pancakes and we sort that one out.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for.
That's it done. Okay, guys, we are done with the pancakes. I'm just gonna allow it to cool down and I'll store it in the Ziploc bag and we can have pancakes tomorrow. So deciding on what to make for dinner, you guys, I'm in full mood. I'm cooking now. I'm trying to make a goosey soup and I also want to record it for Instagram and TikTok. So I maybe short form video for YouTube. Let me just focus on cooking for the night and yeah. No.
Why?
Z. You're not gonna have. I've given you two already. No. You're gonna have soup now, okay? I'm done cooking.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you.